Hi guys, Espy here, and this is my 5-dimensional 2x2x2x2x2. It consists of 32 independent 5C pieces and is held together by magnets. The puzzle is made from pink and purple Melinda's 4D 2x2 base pieces and pre-cut vinyl stickers of 10 colours made from a Heyy. Then an application of top coat is applied to the puzzle to prevent the stickers from chipping or rubbing together. There is also a buffer layer used as a solving tool to not confuse yourself and helps prevent an invalid move with gyroing the front and back hypercells. This is placed between the left and right hypercells, which is aqua, and the purple colour, which I call Espy. This puzzle consists of two mirrored Melinda's 2⁴ puzzles, making, well, a 5-dimensional puzzle with a restricted 5-dimensional axis. It's a 5D restricted analogue of a 2x2x2 normal pocket cube. Restricted meaning no full 5D gyro is possible on this version, swapping the aqua and Espy stickers to the 4D axis. Still holding qualities of a 5-dimensional puzzle, and many solving techniques such as double RKT can be achieved on this version, making well half of a 5-dimensional 2⁵ puzzle. Turning on this 5D puzzle requires full physical Melinda's 2⁴ full puzzle rotations including gyro twists. Yes, we are now using gyros to do twists now because each side is a single 4-dimensional side. There are 10 different coloured 4D hypercells on this puzzle. They all require 4D full puzzle rotations to turn. This is also used for scrambling and solving the puzzle. I have a beginner series coming soon with understanding this puzzle, and you will learn overview and the anatomy of the puzzle, buffer use, canonical moveset, scrambling and restarting, and also, as a side note, full analysis side by side with MC5D Virtual 2⁵. Please join my Discord server for more information and if you want to own a restricted 5D puzzle. This is the first physical 5D puzzle and sets the starting point of future physical 5D puzzles yet to come.